A-plus setups. Listen, if you guys suck at trading.
The reason this was a good setup is because now we swept equal lows.
Oh, I love Dodgy.
Now he manipulated.
Well, guess what, XTC Trades? What's good with y'all boys? Reacted to Dodgy making $67 in 1 minute.
Ladies and gentlemen, I want to do a quick trade recap of today and how I made a lot of money. Okay, it doesn't matter how much I made because that does not matter. I'm trying to make you become profitable and
Real shit.
show you my setup that has worked for thousands of years.
Thousands.
Well, hundreds. Well, 10 years. Is it?
And 67 in under 1 minute might not seem like a lot for you guys, but there's crackheads out there sucking dick for 5 minutes for $5. I'd rather make $67 in 1 minute trading.
Well, okay. You guys get the point. But, all right, listen. So, before I break down this trade for you guys, I just want to talk about from the next
We skipping that.
We can go.
We skipping that.
Execution, I call this in live stream on my social media, my Instagram, my Twitter. You can go on those if you want to watch the live trade recap. But
okay, type shit.
The trade that I took today was this 5 minute short. Okay, and
okay, where's the higher time frame context, Dodgy?
I basically held it all the way down to equal lows, about a 7-hour trade. Okay, so really good trade. I've had these equal lows like mapped out since the beginning of the week on Tuesday when we put them in. And I know you guys are wondering what equal lows. There are these, okay? And a lot of people on Tuesday longed here. And this is a long that's going to work like 2 out of 10 times. And one of my favorite ICT quotes is, people may catch the long here out this double bottom, but I'm the guy catching the short back down to the equal lows when it, is a good setup.
I'm not going to lie, bro. I'm not taking no buy or sell if there's relative equal highs or relative equal lows near my entry. TJR.
Okay, so thankfully today I caught it down there, and then I figured it was going to be a soup. I kind of said on my stream, I go, I think we're going to bounce here, and we did, but the price action definitely was not the cleanest here, I guess. But yeah, so the reason I took this trade, and I'm going to kind of connect it to my ratings guide. It's a liquidity sweep and delivery from a fair value gap.
Okay, I love this. A-plus setups. Listen, if you guys suck at trading, like apparently me, because whatever I'm doing sucks. Well, guess what, XTC Trades? I'm doing you. So guess who's really sucking? And guess who's not paying you $5? But there's crackheads out there sucking dick for 5 minutes for $5. Nigga, you get 0. Back to Dodgy.
What makes it A-plus setup and A-plus setup? So you can see right here, right? We sweep this low and we deliver from this fair value gap and hold it.
Okay,
same thing with here. We sweep these equal highs and we deliver from a fair value gap and hold it and go to the relative equal lows.
Okay, so in short, before you take y'all trade, according to Dodgy, make sure it's sweeping out liquidity and delivering from a higher time frame fair value gap. And then you take your inversion trades, okay? A lot of y'all dodgy glazers just take any goddamn inversion FVG and think y'all trading smart money. So pay attention to what y'all master is giving y'all.
So if we compare that to kind of this, we sweep a high and deliver from this 15-minute fair value gap, which you can see is a little more obvious in the 15-minute. And I was so close to just shorting this and swooping it, but I waited for the inversion. Probably could have made more money.
He's smart.
The second that this
probably could have made more money. No, you did the right thing, Dodgy. Don't feed these YNTs, these young trading niggas, crackhead trading habits, okay?
Close. I'm like, okay. Not only is it an inversion fair value gap, I like the fact that it was an order block as well.
Type shit.
Okay, so if we look, this was an order block as well, okay? Which, again, is just this green candle that goes up.
Simple.
Okay, sweeps this little internal high, and then
simple.
And we close back below it again. So it's like a CISD slash
simple
order block. And, with that, I like to put a hard stop at the order block, and my stop loss almost hit, but thankfully it, went down right away.
Nah, that was close. If this was shit, CFDs, bro, that shit would have straight spread would have opened and knocked your dumb ass out. I ain't gonna lie.
Super crazy open. So yeah, that was one reason. Another reason is this signature and price up here was super, super like V-shaped. It looks like a mountain, and it's very, very hard to
look like my meat.
target a mountain like this. Like, if we were to get this long, it would have found a lot of resistance every single time it went up here. Okay.
Yeah.
So that is another reason why I like shorts better, especially since we're reacting off this. It just made sense to go down. Okay. And then last but not least, the other reason I liked was because
pay attention to, last but not least, okay? Not least, all right?
even if we didn't go down all the way to these equal lows down here, I liked how we had this giant wick right here that was also trendline liquidity like this. So not only do we have trendline liquidity,
rip trendline traders.
but it was a giant ass wick. And I don't know what this was from, but whenever I see a giant wick like this, usually that targets are really good. I don't know. I think it might have been data or something, but it was basically one setter for life. I was targeting data lows. No clue what this wick was. It was right at 631. It was probably news something. But that wick was just, I don't know. It's a really good draw on liquidity. Whenever you see like a giant wick randomly like that, it's a good draw on liquidity.
Type shit. All right, come on.
No, people were probably wondering about, oh, but Dodgy, there was a data high here.
We not worried about it.
There was. But this data high was protected, meaning basically it took out this high right here inside of a fair value gap. So it is just completely protected.
Target Dodgy, tell them niggas.
I thought we were going to go to it here, but it didn't really matter if we did or not because I wasn't in the trade or anything. But we didn't. And then we got the 5-minute short. I'm like, okay, this is a short.
Bro, he shorted it right before open. No wonder why he risked less on that and only made $67. I would have risked less on that shit too. Nigga was scared.
Let's say you want to even get more technical. You could have waited for a 15-second short here.
That's doing the most.
We got a 2-minute long here, which a lot of people took on social media, and I said do not take this in live time because we did not hit these equal lows down here yet. This low and these equal lows were still very...
Oh, yeah. I'm over here looking at, like, this was... I'm like, okay, this isn't a bad long, but yeah, right here for sure. For sure.
Pretty much untapped. So you should not have long this. I knew we were going to go back down. The 2-minute short right here was 10 times better because we had the lows down here.
A lot of inversion FVG traders was getting knocked the fuck out right here, bruh. Straight.
Then this was the good setup right here. This was the actual good
setup. Show us.
The reason this was a good setup is because now we swept equal lows.
Oh, I love Dodgy.
Now he manipulated. Now he had a giant candle closing by the 3-minute. And you could have targeted the 50%.
Oh my God, Dodgy, I love you. He's my new master. Fuck TJR, bro. He's my new master.
Right here. Okay, so I kind of called this one out on stream, and I know a couple other traders took this and tried holding more. I said get all out here because
1 to 1.5.
we have NFP tomorrow, so there's no point in holding.
Oh yeah, and it was NFP tomorrow. Yeah, that trade. No wonder why it was straight dookie cheeks, bro.
When I literally just said, I think PB Blake took this one, and he got solid break even.
Who's PB Blake?
I was texting him. I'm like, I usually would hold here if I were in this play to like the unfilled 5-minute. But remember, unfilled gaps alone suck. They need to be combined with something, and this is not combined with anything. So because of NFP tomorrow, I'm like, okay, we're probably either going to chop or reject here and go down. And what happened, we ended up going down, chopped, and then we went up. Okay, now there was one more really good setup.
I see it. Yeah, I see
this. Was a very good setup. My indicator did alert this one, I think. You know, we had LRLR here, so we should keep calling up here and getting all this LRLR, but a lot of trend line liquidity, a lot of stops run. You can see this is a good play too. Yeah, indicator alerted this one, and indicator alerted, I think. All
right, now you promoting your indicator, Dodgy. I'm about to turn this shit off, man. If you guys enjoyed this video, man, smash that like button. Sub if you're motherfucking new to the channel. You know what I'm saying? And I'll catch y'all in the next video.